Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a bit different. I've been sitting at my desk all morning working on some projects, and my stomach is literally growling. I am starving. But instead of just grabbing a boring sandwich from my fridge, I decided to take you guys out with me. We are going to a place that my good friend Alex has been raving about for weeks. It's called the Blue Diner. I'm putting on my jacket, grabbing my keys, and we are hitting the road.
Yo, Alex, what's up, man? I'm finally heading to that diner you recommended.
Hey Michael, about time. You're going to love it.
I hope so, but I think I'm a bit lost. I'm on 5th Street now. Is it on 5th or 7th?
No man, you need to go 2 more blocks and hang a left on 7th Street. It's right across from the park.
7th Street. Got it. And you said I should try the special roast beef, right?
Exactly. It's legendary. It's slow cooked for 12 hours. It melts in your mouth, I promise.
12 hours? Wow. Okay. I'm crossing my fingers that they still have some left. Catch you later, Alex.
Here we are. It looks like a classic vintage diner. Look at the sign on the door. Please wait to be seated. This is a very important rule. Hi, good afternoon. Just one for lunch today. Could I have a booth near the window, please?
Absolutely. We have a perfect spot for you right here. Follow me, please. Your server, Sarah, will be with you in a second.
Hi there. Welcome to the Blue Diner. I'm Sarah. How are we doing today? Can I start you off with a refreshing iced tea while you look at the menu?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing great, thanks. Yes, a large iced tea sounds perfect. Also, I'd love to order the special roast beef. My friend said it's a must-have.
Oh, I am so sorry. We literally just sold out of the roast beef about 10 minutes ago. It went so fast during the lunch rush today.
That's a bummer. Well, I'm still very hungry. Could I see the breakfast menu, please? Is it still available?
Of course. We serve brunch all day here. Here is the menu. I personally recommend these first 4 items on the list.
Okay, let's see. What exactly is in the classic plate? It's listed for $9.50, right?
Yes, the classic plate comes with 2 eggs, any style, 3 strips of crispy bacon, and buttered white toast. It's a very traditional, light choice.
I see. And what about the Western omelet? What are the ingredients in that one?
That one has diced ham, onions, and green peppers with a special mix of spices. It's $12.75, and it's definitely more filling.
Interesting. I also see a pancake stack for $10. What comes with those?
You get a stack of 3 fluffy pancakes topped with maple syrup and fresh blueberries. It's a great choice if you want something sweet.
Everything sounds good, but I think I need something really substantial. Tell me about the steak and eggs at the bottom of the page.
Ah, the king of our menu. It's a 10-ounce sirloin steak seasoned with sea salt and cracked black pepper. It's served with 2 eggs and hash browns. It's $24.
That's the one. I'll take the steak and eggs. I'd like the steak cooked medium rare and the eggs sunny side up, please. Also, can I swap the hash browns for onion rings? And could you bring some honey mustard sauce on the side?
You got it. 1 steak and eggs with onion rings and honey mustard. How long do you think you can wait? It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to cook the steak perfectly.
15 minutes is totally fine. I'm not in a huge rush.
Perfect. While you wait, I'll bring you some complimentary bread and butter to nibble on. I'll be right back with your drink.
Wow, this steak is huge and it tastes amazing, but I'm absolutely stuffed. Sarah, excuse me, could I get a to-go box for the rest of this, please?
Of course. I'll bring you a container right away. We definitely don't want that delicious steak to go to waste. I'll bring your check as well.
Hi, I'm paying for table 4. The total is $25 with the onion ring swap, right? I'll pay with cash. Here is $40.
That's correct. $25 is your total. Do you need any change back, sir?
Actually, please give $25 to the restaurant and give the rest to Sarah as a tip. She was incredibly helpful with the menu. Just keep the change.
That's very generous of you. Sarah will be thrilled to hear that. Have a wonderful afternoon.
What a fantastic brunch! Today we learned how to navigate a menu, ask about specific ingredients, handle a sold-out situation, and even how to ask for a to-go box for our leftovers. I hope this helps you feel more confident the next time you dine out in an English-speaking country. Before we wrap things up, let's quickly go over some of the key words from today's adventure and see what they mean. Growling, making a deep sound, usually when you are hungry. Starving, very hungry. Grab, to take or pick up something quickly. Raving about, talking very enthusiastically about something. Hang a left, turn left, informal way to give directions. Legendary, famous and very well known. Slow cooked, cooked for a long time at a low temperature. Vintage, classic or from an earlier time. Booth, a small seating area in a restaurant, usually with benches. Refreshing, making you feel cool and fresh, usually a drink. Sold out, there is no more of it left to buy. Brunch, a meal that is a combination of breakfast and lunch. Substantial, large, enough to satisfy your hunger. Medium rare, a way to cook steak so it is warm in the middle and red inside. Sunny side up, a way of cooking eggs where the yolk is visible on top. Hash browns, shredded or chopped fried potatoes, usually for breakfast. Swap, to change one thing for another. Honey mustard, a type of sauce made with honey and mustard. Complimentary, free, given as a courtesy. Nibble, to eat a little bit of food slowly. To-go box, a container for taking food home from a restaurant. Generous, willing to give more than usual. Thrilled, very happy or excited. Confident, feeling sure about yourself or your skills. Navigate, to find your way through something, like a menu or place. Handle, to deal with or manage a situation. Across from, on the other side of the street from something. Host, the person who welcomes you and seats you in a restaurant. Server, the person who takes your order in a restaurant. Menu, a list of food and drinks you can order at a restaurant. Ingredients, the foods or materials used to make a dish. Check, the bill in a restaurant. Cashier, the person who takes payment at a restaurant. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next video.